Green drink are one of my favorite ways to lose weight quickly. Also called detox juices, fruit juices or vegetable juices, these easy green juices recipes make a deliciously easy way to get all your nutrients. In this video, I'll teach you a wonderful green juice, called the best green slimming drink. Before you start, subscribe to our channel and like the video. To prepare you will need 1 lemon, 3 cabbage leaves, half sliced cucumber, 400 ml of water, 1 piece of ginger, sweetener to taste. Beat all these ingredients in a blender, then sweeten and drink, preferably without straining. Now that you have learned how to make the best green drink, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.